Hello and welcome class 2 in English class. Today again we are going to take chapter first, that is the wonders of the nature, and today we are going to do the second part. In yesterday's part we finished our reading part and explanation. Today we are going to do the exercises. So have a look here. Here given the words, few dictation words. Let me repeat them for you. First one is clock, window, east, well, gives, heat, light, after, sometimes, wiki, friends, meet, riddle, every, break, moment, new, answer, living, things, need, without, started, gate, near, soon, there, were, clouds, wind, sea, weather, auntie, from, leaves, dry, plants, drink, and behind. My dear students, these words I have given you to learn because you are finding some time difficulty to learn and to write the spellings correctly. So if you learn them, it will be easy for you to revise the rest of the exercises. Now let us go to the exercises given in the book. See, first exercise is put a tick for the true and a cross for the false statement. Here few statements are given from your book. You have to tick or you have to make a cross. If they are correct, you have to make a tick mark, and if they are false, you have to make a cross sign. So let us proceed. First one is, Mummy says the sun is useful. Yes, Mummy only told the Arun that sun is very useful for us. Second one is, all living things need air. Yes, my dear students, all living things need air. So that is true, correct. Third one, clouds bring winds. Not at all. Instead of this, winds bring cloud. So this is a false statement. Next one is, we cannot drink seawater because it is salty. Yes, we cannot drink seawater because it is salty. That is correct. So we will make a tick here. Another one is, we can drink rainwater. Yes, of course, we can drink rainwater, but after some time. When the rain starts, after some time, the rainwater becomes pure, so we can drink it. So take the next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. All living things need air. Yes, all living things need air. The rain is good for plants and for us also. My good students, let us go to the third one. The wind bring only water from the sea. The winds bring only water from the sea and the salt is left behind. हवा केवल समुद्र से पानी लेकर आती है, नमक वहीं पर छूट जाता है. Then D1 is, Arun saw the sun rising in the east. Yes, Arun saw the sun rising in the east. Next is, Vicky read out a riddle. Yes, Vicky read out a riddle. Let us revise it. All living things need air. The rain is good for plants and for us also. The wind bring only water from the sea and the salt is left behind. Arun saw the sun rising in the east. Then even is, Vicky read out a riddle. Yes, my dear students, it is very easy chapter, so you can learn all these exercises and mention in your notebooks also. Let us proceed to the question answers now. So first question is, what did Arun see? What did Arun see? Arun saw the sun rising in the east. Yes, my dear students, Arun saw the sun rising in the east. Second one is, what does the sun give us? The sun gives us heat and light. Yes, you all are very good students, so you know it very well. Sun gives us heat and light. What is the third question? That is, from where do the clouds come? The clouds come from the sea. Yes, the clouds come from the sea. Fourth one is, what is the difference between seawater and rainwater? See, my dear students, seawater is salty and we cannot drink it. But rainwater is pure and we can drink it. Fifth one is, why did they run inside? Why did they run inside? They ran inside because it started raining. Yes, at the end of the chapter you read it, no? They ran inside because it started raining. Yes, in this way we have finished our exercises of chapter first. So my dear students, tomorrow we will do the grammar part of this chapter. Till then, if you have purchased the books and copies, you can write all these exercises in your notebook. See, first you have to mention the chapter name, chapter number, and then you will write the dictation words first. That dictation word I have given here in before only. So you first mention the dictation words and then you write this exercise which is answer the following. And word power also is given in your notebook, in your book. So you can try it, you can write it from the textbook only. So stay safe, be at home and study well. Don't miss your studies. Tomorrow we will meet again. Till then, bye.